What up guys? So I noticed a lot of people that are mining on this AUREVIA application doesn't really understand how the mining works and how to really earn and take maximum advantage of the platform. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do that in this video. So if you are on this platform, you've been mining and you don't really know how to accumulate some of this token, or you do not really understand how it's working, then you should pay attention to this video. And if you are new and have no idea what is going on here, you can also pay attention because you might be interested and seize this as an opportunity to hop in right now and accumulate some of this token for completely free. All right, so if you are among these categories I just mentioned right now, you should pay attention to this video till the end. Right, so first of all, if you are not yet on the platform, there's a link in the description of this video. You can click on it, then you are going to come to your Telegram application, and you have to connect your wallet, connect your Tonkeeper wallet, because the AUREVIA application is going to reward you from the transaction you've been making on your Tonkeeper wallet. So your first mining power comes from your connection of your wallet, so do that instantly. So once you get into the application, these are the most important things you need to do. Now, mind you, the mining is automatic. Immediately you get into the application, mining starts instantly. All right, so this is not where you come in and click once in every 24 hours, but there's something you need to do every 24 hours in order for you to earn more and take maximum advantage of it. All right, so the first thing you should be doing in order for you to start earning, and this should be something you should do every blessed day when you come into the application, is to click over here where you can see this 0% right here. That's where you will need to increase your aura power. So this aura power is what helps you generate steady income every single day. All right, so you have to always come here to click on start your day just to check in regularly. All right, so you get 10. You can see my aura has turned to 30%. Now yours will not have 30% once you are new, because you need to first complete some tasks on this platform. Right here you can see task marathon. You must have completed some tasks, about 10 tasks. Then every day once you come here, it's automatically this 20 aura, you have it on your balance. All right, so after that you can check in, then you get 10, that's making it 30. Then you can also react to a post on their Telegram channel, their Telegram group. You can actually react, just give a like, and then you go back and you see you get a point there. Then the third one is for you to just play around on this application for the next 5 minutes. You can see this countdown. For the next 5 minutes you get extra 20, and you can also watch about 10 advertisements right here in order for you to accumulate this 30 aura. So if your aura can be 100% every single day, believe it or not, you are going to be accumulating more of this token. So this is actually what you should do daily, every single day. Do this in order for you to mine and accumulate your tokens every day on your balance. So over here, once you get on the home page here, you can see this 8.600 right here. Now these are all the things contributing to your mining power. All right, you can also increase these anytime you click on earn over here. You'll be able to increase it because there are lots of, so this way you can get the rewards. These are the rewards you get, and once you do all these tasks, it will be added to your power also right there on the home page. So these are the things you should do every single day. You see I'm on 50% right here. Let me see, I think 50%. I can increase it by just doing watching advertisement over here. You click, you watch advertisement, you wait for this to be over, then you are going to be more points are going to be added to your balance. Okay, I'm just going to close this. All right, so you can see one ad is gone, so I have to complete 10 and they will give me 30 aura. 30% will be added to my aura power. All right, so this is the most important things, guys. Once your aura power increases, you will notice your daily mining over here also increases. So you guys, this is just how you need to use this platform to work. You don't need to come and be clicking once or click twice or any. Just come in here, like maybe take like 5 minutes of your day, of your 24 hours. Take 5 minutes, click on where it is written the percentage right here on your top right, then you complete the task, then you are good to go. You do this every day, you are going to accumulate more of this token for free. So guys, I believe I just break this down for you and show you guys how this thing really works. Now for those of you that know how to refer, go to the friend section. You can always copy your referral link and share with your friends and bring them on board so that they can also join and earn, and also you are going to be earning more extra token by inviting more people on the platform. All right, and currently there's an event going on. You can see community event right here, which says they are going to be giving rewards to those that bring in people. Maybe just, even if it's just one person you can invite, you will get a reward for that. So this event will be over once they get to 1.5 million members. All right, so right now I think they've gotten up to 1,014,000 people. So this event will be over once it's 1.5 million people users. All right, okay guys, so it's as simple as that. I believe I just break down everything for you in this video, making you understand how this thing really works and how you can take maximum advantage of it, guys. If you are interested, the link's in the description. Hop on it and get started right away. It's not yet late to join and accumulate some of the Aura token. So guys, the link's in the description. Hop on it and you are good to go. So if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one, guys. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.